Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix application not opening in MacBook M4. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, quiet your application. After quiet your application, then click on this Apple icon and then click on restart and again click on restart. After restart your MacBook, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open system settings. In system settings, scroll down and click on privacy and security. Now scroll down and click on allow applications from App Store. If you can select App Store and non-developers, then select only App Store. After selecting App Store, then go back to your screen and open Launchpad and then delete your application and reinstall it. After reinstall your application, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.